The members of the Hill State People's Democratic Party, the Hspdp, had met on the 15th of November 2022 at the party office to discuss on a few issues related to the state of Meghalaya and which are to be included in the party manifesto for the upcoming 2023 State Legislative Assembly elections. The president of the Hspdp, KP Pangyang, while briefing reporters today, informed that the party has decided to register itself as one of the members of the National Federation of New States, which is a confederation of certain units of India demanding a separate state. He also informed that the members of the NFNS from the northeastern region of India will be meeting on the 30th of November 2022 at Maupanlor in West Khasi Hills to discuss on certain matters regarding the demand for separate states and also on their meeting with central leaders to be held in New Delhi in December this year before the start of the winter session of Parliament.
Kajing penlong dekhot bapura yang Hspdp hakalama jong National Federation of New States. National Federation of New States. Kemudian ni kedai ka kesenjuk dan kesatri keba kedup ya baru kinong dawa state macam mai agar India. Hadin mengenai seni bahakum ke parti ke beladan lepas ke manifesto pada constitution banile ke kasih state maka tentang ke ndri jongi bulan ko kasih cantia de nilai rai minta kasih nilai simro da resolution ba Hspdp minta kasih rai bahkan long no pura kum ka wen ki dekot apo kata kumiong NFNS National Federation of New States. Hapo hangni haka NFNS dan sibun ba kiwei pat kijai benri kiwi adawa ya ke state ala ke jong kijai benri ala ke jong green tali kumpulong hapo ke jela Meghalaya kala khamya isikmat ka Shillong State Movement Committee ni nangne naga khasi jantia ni ladon ngi khasi jantia sampai Hspdp ke adawa khasi state tingin ni nang napo ke north east jungi gidan kum ka Bodolan, ke Tripalan, ke Tripura, nanti ke Karwi Anglong, di Mahasa, di Dway. But nanti kita kum ke Gorkhalan, Budelkan, but kiwi-kiwi ke state apa Karwi India. Jadi mata kasi kaba ni ke parti ni Rai yang kena bandon apa kena ka NFNS. Kalau ban ya yang lang teli kawai, but ngindon ru ang iniyang tinilang gaway, banya dawalang, banya kersanlang, iway persngawi ke skor, jong kinong elam, kinong sesar, ng India jong ito parliament. Kabar kita kasing ila simru ya karay bangindon, banya kenduk lang, tang ya gini kinong dawa state ako ke north east India. Bakinuan bandan keje kenduk kerpang badni Hspdp, life utrik mentau nai. Kemudian joint secretary jong kaneka NFNS godai bas Mr. Stalin na po ka Karbi Anglong don ru Koshaman jong kaneka Federation of New States ba Nikman Marak na po Garolan Garo Hills but kiway ki leader na po North East kinuan man ikandu bangi ka life utrik chongu new nai.
KP Pangyang further informed that the Hspdp is also firm in its demand from the government a review of the reservation policy of the state, where the Garo people alone have been allotted 40% job reservation, while both the Khasi and Jaintia people have been collectively allotted only 40% reservation against jobs in the government sector. He further added that issues like the implementation of ILP in Meghalaya, the unemployment status of the youth, uranium mining and other important issues will be the party's focus.
The needs of the hours. Mongila banok mo. Jington kam jong kapor. Pade. Habangi ka ratio jong ka population. Mo. Ka ratio jong population ka Khasi ba Jaintia area. Mo. Ka tambun sya ya ka ratio jong ki perlok na po ka Rilum Garo. Tigron ka hok ingi ban ong ye ka bangindon ban haban nang revisit ye gani review ye gani nagabanta ka jinglong atpa ye ka hok jong kusma namar ba kata ka sapo percentage kabala ayangi haki artli ki section of society kamdon ka justice ka babiang hangni kay ka jimut badong 10% la damatang idon tang pralak unong susnong te 10% ka badong khat ndulak unong susnong asno ba kata ka hok banyo jong mangi ki paranong susnong hapo ka jala kamdon su jingya long balance tingi ha bandang le na ta ka ni pat ka jing pilenti jong ki kun samla ki balat penlut ya ka jing puli ka por bat spa jogi kimi ki pa isgo ba ka sarkar kan snap ban sa score gani bakan sim na ka jing yang lang ka jing mentai lang ba ka jing yo ya ka state me ba men swaru ban lang kam tahi ban ya ban tai lang ban ya halang padam don ki sa sile silia